Today I will show a very cheap do-it-yourself watering table for potted plants, which I have used some years now very successfully for growing plants from cuttings. I have actually used them for small-scale production of plants, which have given me some decent extra income on top of my ordinary work. The tables can be used as ebb and flow tables, as well as just with a stationary filling of water. It depends on the plants grown, which is more preferable method of irrigation. I decided to build the watering tables out of wood, as this was the simplest and cheapest alternative. I first made an outline of the construction using the OpenSCAD CAD program as shown here. The bottom is made of 12 mm construction plywood, 120 by 150 centimeters, and the sides of 22 by 73 mm pine wood. The bottom is stabilized with 4 22 by 73 mm pine wood planks. To one of the short sides is attached an aqueduct extruding 60 mm. The aqueduct allows overflow protection as well as emptying the table via the small hole at the bottom of the aqueduct. To make the whole construction watertight, I use 2-component polyester plastics. That is the same type of plastics that is used for boats made of fiberglass reinforced plastic. The construction allows 127 pots of 11 by 13 cm or 208 pots of 9 by 9 cm. The tables are fitted into ordinary rooms of my house. I have in total 6 of them, 3 on the upper floor and 3 at the bottom floor. I don't have a greenhouse, so the illumination is done by LED lamps. This works fine and has the advantage that the heat from the lamps actually contribute to the heating of the house, which adds to the overall economy of the project. As I live in northern part of Europe, we actually require heating most of the year, at least from September to April, that is 9 months of the year. In a subsequent video I will cover the different grow lights I have tried over the years, and their advantages and disadvantages. The performance of different types varies quite a bit. The coating of the tables is made by painting with 2 layers of 2-component polyester. After mixing the components, I just painted a thin layer directly on the wood and allowed it to polymerize overnight. The next day I painted with an additional layer. This has worked very fine and lasted several years. Occasionally there is a crack giving minor water leakage into the bottom plate. However, this is easily repaired with some epoxy. I consider that after some more years of usage one may need to repaint the table with an additional layer of polyester. The tables can be used for both ebb and flow irrigation and stationary irrigation. For stationary irrigation, the aqueduct is sealed with petroleum jelly and the table is filled with water. Drainage can then be done into the drum located beneath the aqueduct. As already said, in subsequent videos I will cover my experience with different types of grow lights, as well as how one may construct automatic systems for both ebb and flow irrigation and stationary irrigation. These tables are very cheap and easy to construct. They can be built from in the range of $20 per square meter. A materials list for all what is needed is given in the description to the video. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to get notified for subsequent videos from this channel.